The prophecy warns of the Lord's judgment against the land of Hadrach, which will rest on Damascus. The Lord will take away Tyre's possessions and destroy her power on the sea, causing fear among the people and tribes of Israel. Ashkelon, Gaza, and Ekron will fear this, while a mongrel people will occupy Ashdod, and the Philistines' pride will be put to rest. The Lord will take the blood from their mouths and forbidden food from between their teeth, and those left will belong to God and become a clan in Judah. Ekron will be like the Jebusites. The Lord will encamp at his temple to guard it against marauding forces, and never again will an oppressor overrun his people. Zion's king will come to them, righteous and victorious, riding on a donkey. He will take away the chariots from Ephraim and the war horses from Jerusalem, proclaiming peace to the nations and extending his rule from sea to sea and from the river to the ends of the earth. The Lord will appear over them, flashing his arrow like lightning, sounding the trumpet, marching in the storms of the south and shielding them. They will destroy and overcome with slingstones, drink and roar as with wine, and be full like a bowl used for sprinkling the corners of the altar. On that day, the Lord will save his people like a shepherd saves his flock, and they will sparkle in his land like jewels in a crown. Grain will make the young men thrive, and new wine will make the young women